this will be an introduction on how to create your first project with StudioFlow. So we'll go to New Project and we'll call it My Studio, and we'll disable tutorial. And over here you can set the size of your room, and then we'll go ahead and drag in some equipment. So we'll drag in a set of monitors, these HS8s. Let's drag in a desk as well. So we'll have something to put these on. And for a mixer, let's use an X32, this Behringer X32. And for the DAW, let's add a laptop. Let's go ahead and put a effects processor, a PCM92. To show how racks work, let's go ahead and drag in a rack. This will be a 19-inch rack. So you just drag the item over the rack, and then you could select which slot you want to put it in. You can also rearrange the slot layout over here. And for a controller keyboard, let's just use this Juno, Roland Juno. And then for connections, you go over to the Connections tab, and you start connecting the items together how you want them. So for the HS8 monitors, let's use the controller mounts, the XLR. The outputs are on the right, the inputs are on the left. So we'll connect these XLRs together. The USB for the laptop will go to the USB on the X32. The Juno has USB input, so let's connect this USB input on the Juno. And for the outputs, let's use channel 1, channel 2. The Lexicon auxiliary, let's use the auxiliary 1s and 2 outputs, and we'll go ahead and use the corresponding auxiliary 1 and 2 inputs. So this is how to kind of set up the connections, and over to the right it shows you information about your cables and your connections, and as well as the lengths of the approximate lengths of the cable based on the layout. And then when you're done with this, you can go ahead and take a look at the project summary to get an overview of your project.